So during this event of 5 days, my maximum concentration was on the important principle of swing trading. So out of that important principles, two principles I focused most. One is the gap action. Whenever there is a gap up or gap down happens, that doesn't signals that it is the trend is going to continue. So as I have told you yesterday, Nifty, it has given a gap up, then it has come down. Sell entry price it has come. I told you to wait till 0.38 to cross over. So these are the things, very key principle of your success in intraday. In case there is a gap up or gap down, if the trend reverses, so this says that once there is a gap up or gap down, and if the trend reverses, so hurriedly do not enter the trade, better wait for a conclusive crossover of 0.38. So this is also a rule of Fibonacci. Fibonacci says 0.236 retracement sets the trend, 0.236 sets the trend, 0.382 confirms the trend. So I am just telling, wait for that confirmation. This is the first swing trading principle. Second, I told, while doing the analysis, if you have found that your current price is already inside one cycle, specifically it has crossed the first target, second target or third target, then do not enter the trade. Wait for the second cycle to come to enter the trade, or wait for the trend reversal to happen to enter the trade. So these two things is very important for your swing trading. Many other principles also there. If you are a visitor of our website smartfinancing.com, I have given here one exclusive article section is there, and here we have given various techniques of intraday trade, and you have been given that when to do intraday trade and when not to do intraday trade also. So this kind of how you can plan for your intraday calculations, how you can do the intraday things, that all those concepts are being explained. So we'll just move into the yesterday's analysis. In fact, Nifty we have waited for 920, we have initiated the analysis, and we have not got the uptrend breakout, rather we got the downtrend breakout. I have waited for the 9905. If you would have sold Nifty at 9905, definitely your hedging will be 9900 call option, and till 9864 level, 65 level you have come. So day's low also was almost equal to that. So let me introspect the day's low. So day's low also, here is the day's low for yesterday. So yesterday it has made 9866.3, 66.3. This is the day's low, and morning 920 you have calculated the levels till 65. So 1 point we lacked, however we got it. So Aurobindo Pharma is Krishna Makwana selling. Also yesterday made a low of this thing 748.8 for Aurobindo Pharma. We got a get success there. Bank Nifty, we have gone till 9289, I suppose. So 9289 was the day's high for Bank Nifty. So this also we have initiated with the put option. So with the put option we have initiated. 9289 was the high, and we have our calculations what we have done. So for Bank Nifty 9289, so till second target you have come here, and just to few points below the third target you have reversed. This is for Bank Nifty. And Nifty downtrend you have achieved great success. SEC in front of us only, it was giving that level. So 49.37, this was the high I was telling. So 30 paisa difference it was giving. SEC, you got a success also. Axis Bank, equity segment, great success has come. Second cycle we have waited for, and it has, second cycle it has penetrated, and in fact it has given more than that. And Axis Bank, this is the analysis we have done. Axis. So yesterday, what was the action? It was Axis Bank. I'll be going for historic data, 7 days, and here is the 20th yesterday, 944.20. So this is what you have achieved in the Axis Bank. And Axis Bank, you have second cycle you entered. So till 37 was your third cycle. Almost you have got everything. If you are little nervous trader in the equity segment means less number of shares you will be trading. So you could have exited in the second or third target. Aurobindo Pharma, as the Krishna Mokwana has said, we have achieved good success. Aurobindo Pharma yesterday. So till 49 we have downtrend, 48, 748 point and odd we have achieved. TCS also future segment we achieved great success. We sold here and TCS also given a good success yesterday. So TCS also we have done, TCS we have done here, and historic data says we got good success there. So these are the facts on your table. So these are the facts till 9428 we have achieved it, 9428, and TCS we have sold into 9428 we have achieved. So first target only we have achieved on that. So this is what we have principles of swing trading. If there is a gap up or gap down on that particular instrument, we will be waiting for the confirmations to happen. So that confirmation is 0.382 retracement. Second, if there is a one cycle penetration, then we will be waiting for the second cycle or a trend reversal to enter the trade, or else we will not enter the trade. So these are the two. Using the software, how to do the trades, those things you have. So this is a flat opening today for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. And most of the stocks also opened flat for the day. So let us wait for some time, let the price to get stabilized, then we will be initiating the trades. पुट खरीदो, एक फ्यूचर खरीदेंगे तो उसके साथ में एक पुट खरीदो, या एक फ्यूचर बेचेंगे तो उसके साथ में एक कॉल खरीदो. एक छोटा सा टेक्निक है हेजिंग का, इसमें समझने के लिए बहुत बड़ा बात नहीं है, बट वी नेवर यूज टू एक्सेप्ट दैट. Shifted to 10 days option trading trades, shifted to monthly option trades, shifted to weekly trades. These are the very good things for the trader. So we'll start the analysis for the day. So Nifty, as like the previous days, I'm going for index future, and Nifty, I'll be loading the data. Calculate. I can use the smart IT also. Here I can get more clarity on the trend. So smart IT. So this is calculation automatically pops up. I'll get 3 suggest neutral, 3 suggest sell. So 0 is in favor of buy. So this is for the smart IT's decision is coming. And calculations, one standard deviation calculation gives 9912 above uptrend, 9889 below downtrend. Can anyone will tell me what I should do now? 9882 levels now. I can sell Nifty along with a call option. I'll again focus sell Nifty with a call option. Which strike call option need to be chosen? 9,900. 9,900 call option I will be choosing, and I'll be selling the Nifty. If Nifty reverses back or goes to stop loss point, what will be my stop loss? Downtrend given, I have in 0.382 level, here I am selling it. It reverses back, what will be my stop loss? 9912, or I'll wait for 9919. 9911.73, this is the 0.236. But in this case specifically, whenever, this also first day I told you, in the report also I mentioned, if you bought into a trade or sold into a trade and it reverses 0.236 level, better wait, let it come to cross this 0.382. You are already hedged, so no point in quitting the trade so quickly. Wait for that level. Once it crosses, then you quit the trade. 0.23 level you avoid. Focus to 0.382. Reason, when you have already entered to a trade and it is in hedging. So just wait for that level, then you enter. So now coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, will be loading the data and we will calculate the Bank Nifty. So I will be going for the Bank Nifty to see what indications it is giving in the summary of the Smart IT tool. So here 4 suggest sell, 2 suggest 2 are neutral. So this is the overall trend of Bank Nifty as per all this volatility, Fibonacci, 1SD, Elliott pivot, all studies together. So this is the Bank Nifty levels: 24,262, 24,224. So I am at 187 level, 24,187 level. So this level crossed, this also crossed. I am in 0.618 to 0.786 level. Can anyone will tell me what I should do here in Bank Nifty? The time I took this reading, it is at 24,187. Now it is, the price is 24,187. So whether I should sell Bank Nifty or buy Bank Nifty or wait for the Bank Nifty to cross specific level. Swing trading principle, which we have been discussing from the day one. So Sanjay ji has told, wait for that conclusive crossover to the level of downtrend cycle to here 24,125, or let it come to 24,262 level. Then only I will enter. If I am buying at 24,262, I must hedge it with the 24,300 put option. If I am selling here, I must hedge it with the 24,100 call option. If I am selling here, what will be my stop loss? 24,187. So first cycles cluster will be my stop loss. So this is the, and if I am buying here, my stop loss is 24,212. So this is the trade I should do in case of a Bank Nifty. Now moving to the other part of my analysis, where we will do 2 equity analysis and 2 stock future analysis. So 2 equity analysis, same Axis Bank, let us take. Yesterday we have taken Axis. So I am taking equity, Axis Bank, I am loading the data, and I will go for calculations in the 1 standard deviation. Same time, let me see what this Axis Bank overall trend suggests. The summary section, 4 suggest sell, 2 sell suggest neutral. So this is for the Axis Bank's trend is coming. Bank Nifty also was giving the similar kind of things. 536 level. So 536.37 level it is trading. 537. So what I should do in the Axis Bank? Day's high is 540.8 currently. Day's high is 540.8. Now 537 point something. This is the calculation I am getting. So can anyone will suggest me what I do? It is equity, so assuming less number of shares you will be taking. No need of hedging, go with the proper stop loss. So here the sell trade will be having a stop loss of 540.670. Buy trade will be having a stop loss of 537.60. Currently we are at the selling entry level. We can think of selling this thing, having a stop loss of 540.70, or little higher you can go for 541.60 also you can take 0.382 level, and wait for the first target of 535.10. So this is what we can do. So we are at 537.8 now. So Axis Bank we are selling. Bank Nifty we are waiting for. Nifty we sold it with 9,900 call option. So same way we can go for the Aurobindo Pharma today. Equity. Yesterday also we have gone same stock. So one similarity we should maintain so that we can see that yes, the same stocks are being used and what success we have got. So this is 1SD studies. 755 and 747. Currently we are at 748.5. So 48.5. So we are up neither in the sell trade nor in the buy trade. We are in between that. So we'll wait for these levels. So day's high also, let us have a look at day high and opening. So opening was 755. That was 55.9. So there was a gap up. From after gap up there is a fall happened and it has made a low. So far as for our analysis 47.3. So let us wait, let it give the downtrend breakout, and better wait for this 745 level once it is, because there is a gap up opening. Yesterday it was 748. What is a gap up opening? Can anyone will tell me what is a gap up opening? From yesterday's close, if today open price is above 0.236 retracement of the Fibonacci, then it is known as a gap up from previous close. So today it has gap up opening 755 and 755.8 it has gone, then it has fallen and now in this level. So we can think of, instead of 0.236, let us wait for 745 level. If it falling below 745 level, we can think of selling. Same way I will suggest you wait for 757.5 level for the uptrend crossover so that you can buy. Currently it is at 750 level. Aurobindo Pharma equity, we are not initiating any trade on that. So this is for Aurobindo Pharma. Now we will same future analysis we will do TCS and ACC. So TCS and ACC, I will be going for stock future and I will be going for TCS. TCS will load the data and we will calculate. So this is the TCS analysis is coming. So TCS analysis has come 2449.65, 2430. Currently it is 2454. So 2454 in between 0.38 to 0.236. What we should do? What we should do? Now the price is between these two levels, TCS future. What we should do? Give side. So future side Nifty is sold. Bank Nifty we are waiting for. It is already in a penetration mode. And here Axis Bank also we did analysis. Axis Bank also we did analysis. Axis Bank analysis. I'll be just going to the Axis Bank analysis. This is what we have done for Axis Bank. We sold into this Axis Bank, and you can say we'll be waiting for the targets. Aurobindo Pharma we are waiting for, and here TCS we bought into, and we have proper hedging for that. And ACC we sold along with its proper hedging 98, 99. This level it is coming. So we sold into the ACC with some hedging. So this is what we have done so far. Wait. Two most important swing trading principle I have just focused throughout this 5 days period. One, in case there is a gap up or gap down, how you can read that gap and take a trade decision. There I said that if there is a gap up or gap down you are encountering, then instead of making an entry at 0.236 level, make an entry at 0.382 level. So that is only one small change will give you a great success. Second part I have told you, if at the time of your analysis you are finding out that prices has already penetrated one cycle, then wait for the second cycle or for a trend reversal to enter. So these two principles carefully you follow so that you will get great success in the intraday trade. So that doesn't mean that you will not get any failure in the intraday trade. Failure will come, but your successes will improve. There is no method which can give you 100% success. There is no failure at all. So there is no such method. However, these are the principles. If you follow, your trades will get refined. You will get some improved results. You send us the email, we will reply. Certain times, some people used to get reluctancy for sending us the email also. So we have just improvised that support system. Monthly 2 times on the second and fourth weeks, every month, second and fourth weeks, Friday, if it is not a holiday. If it falls in holiday, then that program may be rescheduled. But this is a time I have fixed. Live market every month, second and fourth weeks, Friday. I'll be meeting the buyers. Exclusively, you will be given the invitations to join the program. You can ask your queries. You can raise your concern. These are the things is only for the buyers it will be given. You will be given the free webinar invitations whatever we are conducting. However, specific webinars on option strategy, delta neutral, all those things, it will be given a priority basis. Priority basis it will be given. And full package buyers, thus as we have announced yesterday, we will be giving them 1 month dedicated option strategy support. Option strategy. If you have already bought, you will be definitely getting this also. 1 month dedicated option strategy support will be getting. The reason is I want you to understand that strategy. First week what I should do, second week what I should do, third week what I should do, fourth week what I should do. So this is what it is. It will be given to new full package buyer or those who have already bought it. So this is the things is being improvised now along with your email supports. So this is the maximum I can able to offer. But it is impossible to talk 24 hours with a buyer. Impossible to offer is to make it openly we can say. What we will not able to give, we will never say. If you say that no, everything is okay, but I want to talk to you every day now and then whenever I want, this is not possible for me because I too have lot of obligations to meet. I have to run an organization where group of people works under me. I have some other responsibility. Simply if you bought a product and say that no, you give me the privilege to talk to you 24 hours anytime I want, that is not possible. So those who have already bought this full package, they are entitled for this offer, which will be given to you. Those who are going to buy, they are also going to be given this. Second, fourth week, Friday, you please book in your calendar so that you should not miss this opportunity. If you miss that and then after you tell me that I missed it for me only, you conduct for one Monday, that is not possible. So these 2 days in your calendar, you book it if you are an existing buyer, 9:15 to 9:45. You will be given the exclusive link to register and join it. So keep interacting. So here what happens here, of the buyer what they used to do, once they buy a software, they found out that yes, it is a magical tool, it must work. Share your experience. I have taken this particular reading. As I told you, this is the particular analysis I have taken. I have a backup. If you are a one standard deviation software buyer, your backups are there in the server. What experiment you have done, that backup is already there. So if you have already bought this particular software, what happens? If you tell me I took this analysis, I have not got this success. Explain why. So then only I can understand that what trade you have initiated, why you failed, and what is the reason. Without your interaction, it is hardly any chances left for me to understand your trade. So your interaction is very important for me. So anybody sends one email, we used to attend it. Gracefully we used to attend. 24-hour maximum time we have asked for to attend all your emails. So priority basis we used to attend for the buyers. So all these things keep interacting so that share your experience so that I can able to understand what you want, why you fail in the trade, what you are expecting the friend from the trade and what it has offered. In the Nifty future, the higher put call ratio in the Nifty options as giving lesser success this week, specifically in the intraday trade, specifically in intraday trade, because of higher put call ratio, which is in the first day I told it is a very unstable zone we are now. Normally from 1.35 to 1.4, this is the range of the saturation of put call ratio in Nifty, from where we used to get some retracement, means some amount of correction. It is not happening because this is because of your sectoral moves. One sector silent, another sector moves up. So because of that, so it is contributing towards the higher lower volatility, and that is the reason why we are not getting much success in the Nifty intraday. All of you have been given the access to the software. Today it is expiring for all of you. What is your assessment on the software? If you wish to give a feedback, send us to us by on email. These are our email IDs. You can send us to us. Your feedback on the software, your feedback on this particular program. If you wish to share your experience in our social networking site like Facebook and Twitter, you can visit here and post your views there. A recording of those events are being given in the site. All your first day, second day, third day, fourth day events are being given, and today's event also I'll be uploading. So go through those recordings to understand what we have analyzed, what we did, and what outcome we got. Share these videos with your friends. Share these videos with your friends. And if you are a user of the software, time and again go with these videos. If you are the user of the softwares, time and again go with these videos so that you can understand more. And if you are the user of the software, you do not have any restriction to access our software or do not have the restriction to interact with us. So keep interacting by sending the emails, write your concerns, difficulties, what you are facing in the trade, so that we can able to help you a lot. As a full package buyer, what are the supports you will get, that also I have told you. What are the supports is being given to you? I have told you monthly twice we will meet, and we will be also giving you 1 month support on the option strategy starting from Monday for all existing as well as the new buyers. So with this, I'll be ending today's session. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Any sales related queries, call to this number. Call to the number given here. This is the sales number, so you can contact us.